Congratulations, you've written your lead. What now? Another paragraph, of course. Your editor, or in this case your instructor, will tell you how long your story should be. Newspaper stories are measured in column inches, such as how much space they will take up. Typically, there are 25 to 35 words in any given column inch. After the lead is what's called a nut graph. This is a paragraph that condenses the story in a nutshell. It's the paragraph that contains the reasons for writing the story, the reason why readers should care about the story. It's typically in the first 6 paragraphs of the story. Now, beyond regular stories, sometimes you have a much shorter assignment. These are called briefs and brights. Briefs are short stories, no more than 6 paragraphs long. They're typically written in inverted pyramid style. And another form of the brief is called a bright. It's more like a feature version of a brief that has a little more personality or comic relief.